Alright, let's see how your Friday's going. Look at this shit show. I gotta change that. I gotta change the branch valves. Check this out. People live like this. I gotta shut down the whole fucking building for this crap. You see this shit? That's why I get paid the mega bucks. Because no one wants to touch this garbage. If you know, then you know. Swing elbow. Fucking shower body. Fuck Fridays. We are out of here. Fuck this place.